Lo msolwa ogama lakhe linguRanez Jacobs oneminyaka engama-38 ubudala wethoswe icala lokubulala nelokuzama ukubulala. Onke lamacala kusolwa ukuthi ayehleliwe. Ngesikhathi ebingelela imantshi namhlanje uthe uzozitholela ummeli wakhe.
The individual is charged with attempted murder and murder. You have a right to legal aid, speak for yourself, or a private attorney. What's your choice? Private attorney.
Uphiko lwamaphoyisa i-Anti-Gang Unit okuyilo elibophe lo msolwa lithi lisola ukuthi uyanindeka ezigamekweni zokudubula ebezilokhu zenzeka e-Athlone. Kulezo zigameko kubalwa nesokudutshulwa kubulawe umuntu esamagcekeni enkantolo yemantshi yase-Athlone.
He shot a person in cold blood not far from where we are standing now, and during a series of crime intelligence operations over the weekend.
Amaphoyisa athi kungenzeka kwengezwe amanye amacala njengoba uphenyo lusaqhubeka.
We did our homework, as I said, as part of intelligence-driven operations, a number of them. We brought a strong case before the court this morning. Our investigators are in the process to investigate further.
Kubikwa ukuthi uJacobs uboshwe kanye nabanye abasolwa ababili bona abavele enkantolo yemantshi yase-Mitchells Plain.